Hi guys, welcome to the Base SAS course, and in today's class we are going to learn keep drop rename statement and what is the difference with keep drop rename dataset option. Let's start. So for today's class also we are going to use the same dataset, that is sashelp.cars. Let's first see the dataset. Data new cars set sashelp.cars. Click on run. It has 428 observations and 15 columns. What I want only make and model variables in output dataset. So we already know that we can use keep equal make model and run. These two variables are in output dataset. So we are already clear. What if I'll just change it little bit, the program, I'll just like this, new cars and cars copy. I am creating two data sets with all the variables of this. Now I have created one more variable, country, like this. Run this. So now it has 16 variables and new variable is at the end, that is country. Still I want only make and model in output data set. What I need to do, if I use this, copy this and run. So you can see we have two data sets, work.newCars. It has all the variables and we only wanted make and model variable. However, it has all the variables. But the second data set where we apply the data set option, it has only two variables. That means I need to apply this keep data set option here also, here and here. Let's run. You can see work.newCars has make and model variables, exactly what we wanted, and work.cars copy also has the same variable. So what we wanted, it is giving us. If we use dataset statement, we do not need to write these dataset options two times. I just remove this and let's copy this. Select and run. You can see work.newCars has two variables and work.cars underscore copy also has two variables, make and model. So we have achieved what we wanted, but with only one keep statement instead of two keep dataset options. Now what is the difference between both of them? This is an interview question. Let's first write the comment. How to write the comment? You just need to use shortcut, that is control / So in between whatever you will write, that will not be considered by SAS compiler and it will not give you any problem. What is the difference between keep dataset option and keep statement? So answer of this, first we need to understand the definition of both keep dataset option and keep statement. So as we know, dataset option applies to specific dataset, whether it is an input dataset or output dataset. Keep dataset option applies to specific dataset. The dataset here is in output. First we have dataset and in bracket we are using dataset option. So dataset option, as the name says, it always applies to dataset, whereas keep statement applies to all output datasets. So this doesn't apply to an input dataset. Keep statement only applies to all output datasets. So whether they are 1, 2, 3 or 100 output dataset, it applies to all datasets. So that's why it will keep make and model variable in all dataset and delete rest of the variables. Let's comment these also. So you can give star also. This was a group commenting. You can comment the individual line also. So you can use shift star. Here also, when you complete this line, you just need to give semicolon. The same principle applies to all dataset statement. So we understood keep. If you want Similar to this, we can use drop statement. So if you want to delete these two variables in output dataset, you just need to give drop, make and model. Deleting these two, rest it will write in both the dataset. That means this country variable will also be written in output dataset. Let's select and run. You can see make and model variable is not here, and at the end you can see country variable is there. This is in work.new underscore cars, and work.cars underscore copy also has the same variables. Now you understand drop statement applies to all output dataset. Drop dataset option applies to specific dataset. And the third is rename. Rename, and I want to rename this make variable to brand variable equal brand. Select, run. Make variable is renamed as brand, and new variable is also at the end, country. Same is with cars. So now we clearly understand difference between dataset option and dataset statement. So that's it in this session, guys. If you have any doubts and question, mention in the comment section. We will meet in the next class. Till the time, bye and take care.